everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you vegetarian recipe. It will be paneer and bell pepper. Half pound paneer I cut into nice small cube-sized pieces. I have a red, orange, green bell pepper, one of each, half red onion and half white onion, 2 teaspoons ginger, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon cumin seed. All the spices will be half teaspoon each. Salt, cumin powder, black pepper, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, olive oil for tadka and kasuri methi, fenugreek leaf. And let's start making our delicious vegetarian paneer bell pepper sabzi. Get a karahi, start gas, 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera. Cook for like 10 seconds, add onion. Mix it well. And keep it moving, and we're going to saute onion until they get transparent. Cooking onion for 2 minutes, add ginger, mix it well and keep cooking. Cooking ginger along with onion for 1 minute, add green chili. Mix it well. Another minute of cooking. Onions are nicely translucent. I'll add all spices. Mix it well and cook spices along with tadka for half minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for half minute. Add paneer. Mix it well. Cook paneer along with tadka for 2 minutes. Cooking paneer along with tadka for 2 minutes. Now I'll add all the bell pepper, red, green, orange, and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas on medium and we're going to cook for 5 minutes and keep it moving and don't cover with the lid. Cooking paneer along with bell pepper for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. Mix it well. And now we're going to cook another 3 minutes. Altogether 5 minutes on medium gas. You don't want to cover with the lid, otherwise the bell pepper, they will get mushy and they won't taste well. This way they stand firm and they taste well. And if you notice there is no more watery content, then it's good. Cooking bell pepper along with the paneer for 5 minutes and it's all done. Turn off the gas. My serving karahi ready and I'm going to dish out. Very tasty, delicious, colorful paneer bell pepper sabzi. Let me share with you. Our colorful vegetarian dish, bell pepper with paneer, is all ready. So please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.